Hey guys, this is Edgaras from SkillStack, and this is a second part of our Create a New Course on Kajabi tutorial. So let's say in the last tutorial we created a course, a new product. So right now let's go to Products, Courses, and we will be able to see the course that we created, the SkillStack course. Nice. Let's go into it. And you can see now all the modules. Let's collapse this one. So we have 3 modules. Each of them has 3 lessons. So this is what Kajabi has created for me already, with the text and the names pre-built, because I've told them what my course is all about. Kajabi does that. It helps you with that. So now let's say if I went to the course to see how it looks, you have this little eye icon. Let's click on it. Now you can see we have 0 lessons from 0 lessons completed. So that means the course is empty because the lessons are not published yet. So now if we go back to the course and let's say, let's expand this one and let's publish the first module. Let's publish the first lesson. Let's publish the second lesson and let's publish the third lesson. So let's say we have 3 lessons and then 1 module published. Now let's go look how does it look. Yeah, we have 3 lessons already. One of them is already with a thumbnail because I've added it before. So now we have 3 lessons. Awesome. So now, if I did the same thing with all of these modules and all of these lessons, you would be able to see that we have more lessons and more modules showing us when we look at it, right? So let's publish all of them. Let's do this one together. So now you see, okay, so the second one hasn't loaded yet. Let's give it a little bit of time. And we still have 6 lessons for some reason. Yeah, let's publish the second module. Yeah, because that's why we didn't publish the second module. We made it still as a draft. And now the second module is published altogether. And now we have 3 modules and basically 9 lessons in it, right? 3 lessons each in each of the modules. So what we can do, let's go into each individual lesson. What you can do over here, you can change the name, legal and ethical considerations, something that Kajabi created. I can do something, let's say, lesson 1, basically, right? If I wanted to do something like this. Now the text is already made over here. I can delete everything. I can add my own text that I want to do, my awesome lesson. Right now I can, as a main thing of the lesson, I can either add a video or an audio, and depending on that, the player a little bit is going to change how it looks when a person goes into the lesson. And I also can add download files. So basically a person can download something from the lesson. Let's say I want to add some worksheet for them to download, or for example, if your lesson is a video lesson, you can add audio as a download so that the person can download the audio and to listen to it on the go. You can even add automations. Let's say a person, I will do a separate tutorial, of course, when it comes to automations, but let's say when the person completes the lesson, you see when lesson is completed, such and such name, then you can grant an offer, another course. You can revoke an offer. I wouldn't do that, of course. You can subscribe them to an email sequence. You can send an email. For example, you can send them an email. Hey, I've seen you've completed that lesson, and now that you did that, be sure to make sure then to watch another lesson. You can do all of that in Kajabi. You can add tags so that you know that specific number of people have completed this part of the course and so forth. So a bunch of things you can do here to automate your business. So this is how the main lesson is going to look when you come into the lesson, the things that you can change over here. Now, if we go back to the course, right, Kajabi says, do you want to leave because I have some unchanged things? I click save because I changed the name, right? Let's go back to the course, and now you see we have 3 modules. Now, if I want to add another module, you're not doing it here, because if you go over here, you add submodule, it's going to be a submodule of this module. If you want a new complete module, you go to add content, and over here you have a module. So let's say main course. I would be able to add, let's say, a thumbnail if I had it, and it would show up as a module thumbnail. But for now, let's create it, and you can see it's not drafted. I have to publish it first of all, and I have to add a lesson if I want something to show up. So main course, lesson 1. I can do it like this, and it's still going to be unpublished. I have to publish it, and then I go and I look how it looks. Yep, main course, lesson 1. So that's it. That's how you do it, right? Right now, I have not uploaded any lessons to my course. I have a separate tutorial on how to upload a video inside a course. But yeah, this is how you do it. It's a very clean looking, very simple way to do that. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Try out Kajabi for free. You have a free trial. You will find it in the description in the comment. Subscribe to the video and to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in future tutorials. Bye.